So hey hello guys, welcome back to develap.ai. So guys, in this video we're going to solve introduction to convolutions with TensorFlow guys. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe to the channel as well as hit a bell icon to get more updated videos based on cloud as well as AI guys. So please do subscribe develap.ai guys. So the saddest part is guys, I'm getting views but not a subscribers. And one view and one subscriber can boost up my YouTube channel. So please do like and subscribe to the channel guys. So it will be more motivated to solve solution based on cloud as well as AI guys. So let do subscribe guys. So let us start the lab and this lab is very easy guys. So just click on start the lab and launch with 5 credits here if you have a credit, or else if you it's free you can continue. So open your console in igniter mode here. So wait for a second here. So just follow the instructions what I am going to give you. So your lab will be easily solved here. So click on I understand here. Our interface will be loaded here. So click on agree and continue here. So after clicking agree and continue, you can see the vertex AI. Under this vertex AI, click on the workbench here. So under the workbench here, wait for a second here. Remove this. So remove this sidebar also. So click on open Jupyter Lab in your notebook here, in your igniter mode here. So after opening the Jupyter Lab here, wait for a second here until it loads here. So now guys, our Jupyter Lab has been opened here. So now just remove this unwanted here. So click on this CLS Vertex AI intro here. Double click on this. So now you can see this learning TensorFlow introduction to convolutions. So just you can see this Python 3 kernel. Click on this and click on select here. So come below here. So you can see these cells here. So we need to execute this everything here. So make sure that our kernel is ready and it is ready to execute here. It is empty right now. So now click on shift enter until this launch. Okay. So select the shift enter for everything here. So until the last. So after selecting this shift enter, wait for a second. See, you can see this. Our data, our cells has been executing here. You can see here, executed 4 out of 7. So like this until it get completed very successfully everything here. So executed 6 out of 7 here. So finally guys, 7 cells are executed here. You can see here. Finally our output has been generated 2 here. So let me come back to our lab and let me check our progress here. So click on this. There is only one check my progress. Click on the check my progress and finally guys, you will get an 100 out of 100 here. So just click on once again here. Some technical issue might be technical glitch. So if you're getting 10 also 0 means don't worry. So click on task number 1 or 2. Click on manual check my progress. So you got a 100 here. Okay. Here also you're going to get a green tick here without any issue. If you find any issue, please do comment in the comment section, as well as do join a Telegram as well as WhatsApp community. So every updates and every solution and every query will be solved there only. So please do join our Telegram as well as WhatsApp community guys. So let me meet on next video guys. Thank you.